Thank you very much. We are going to go to the final session.
The problem is not the Constitution. The problem is lack of implementation and a lack of constitutionalism among those charged with the responsibility of implementing it. Kenyans must reject BBI proposals in total because they represent the intentional misdiagnosis of what our problems are.
We struggle for this constitution to be in place. It's our duty, morally, and a duty to this nation and the people of this country, and the future of this country, that all of us, Kenyans, not only the ones in this room, all of us, the ones who believe in humanity, the ones who believe in this country, the ones who are patriotic to this nation, have to stand up firm to Linda the Katiba.
How does a country, how does a government propose to amend 14 clauses of a constitution that has 18 clauses and not allow citizens to see it unless they know that if you see it, you will understand it has nothing for you?